Hello, and it's Quincy Lion here. Okay, so I'm going to continue my tutorial series about animating. So let's just quickly look at something I just made in a few of my spare times. So this is probably the start of my new animation.
Today we found a new trend. Show it. Today we found a new trend. Show it.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna teach you to lip sync. Now, maybe last video I told you something about lip syncing, but forget about it because I found something new. So you want to title a block lip sync. Now you wanna add a input call it speed. And another input and call it yeet. I mean costume. Call it costume, not yeet. And then you want to press OK. As you can see, I've already made it, so I'm gonna quickly just put that there. Duplicate. I don't know if that will still. Okay. So watch now. I don't know if this has.
Today we found a new trend.
Now this is how you work it out. I'll have to quickly do it. So speed is the okay. So you have it's really glitchy. So you have to wait speed seconds, and you might be asking, huh? Um, so speed is actually how much seconds in this block. So let's pretend it's 0. Um, so it'll wait that much before doing the next costume. Now it's saying this is an operator. I'll quickly teach you what it is. So uh, these are a little bit confusing for me. So this is something plus something, something take away something, something times something, something divide by something. Pick random one. Yeah. So I've chosen this one. Um, I've used costume number equals costume, which is this, and that will be the second one. So let's pretend it's this. That will be the code. Now you can edit it. By the way, I'm gonna really quickly delete. Okay, I don't know how to delete. Delete. Okay, so this is my original one. Also, if you, I'll tell you at the end. Okay, so let's talk about the lip syncs. Now, if you watch my animation one more time, hold it in, man. I'll continue.
Today we found a new trend. Show it.
And you can recognize that the lip sync's good. Now, if you watch one of my first animations on YouTube, it looked different. Well, that's because I copied and paste. Now, if you're a starter, I want you to go and search up Mix lip sync chart. You will have all the mouse you have to use for the thing. I recommend using recommend using this one because this one is the best. But if you find something that really helps you, for example, this one, if you want yours to look or something or anything, to be honest, this one would be a good one if you want to do things. It's really good to try and see which one's the best. See, this one is just a weird thing. Oy. Okay, as you can see, I've said something. So I said show them. Okay, the new trend is going to be a new Rickroll, as you can see in the title. But anyways, I start with the recording.
Today we found a new trend.
I sound way more serious. And I have to keep on remembering how to spell. So if you don't know how to spell, you have to learn how to spell to do this. So today it's T O D, A, stuff like that. So I have to keep on remembering the word, letter of the words. Now there are some parts that might confuse you. For example, eh. As you can see, there's two e's. So this one is the one. So for egg, this one's um one for the vowel for eh editor, something like that. So you can choose which one you want to use. It doesn't really matter. But if it's something like like the you want to use this one. Now this one's a KGH. That's one. So if you want, you have to give credit to me for this. You have to go into your backpack. Also, I forgot to tell you. You want to put this one into your backpack. As you can see, I've got it already here, but just put it in. So I'll teach you how to do it. You want to take a block, and then until this thing turns blue, you want to when this thing turns blue, you want to let go of your mouse. Wait for it to load, and now it would come up, and now you can just drag it out and use it. But if you want to delete it, or if I need to check it again, if you need to check it, or you want to upgrade it, you have to just delete it and just find a new way. As you can see, I have actually improvement over the years. Never mind. I won't continue for that. So let's start a new thing. Okay. Now this is part 2. I'm also going to teach you how to make it smooth. Now, you can't do this with my OC, which is right here. I'm going to take it out. This is my OC, original character. If you are familiar to Scratch, you'll know that this is OC is your original character. As you can see, I have a square ahead, and looks very nice. But just don't. You're not supposed to really copy everyone's OC. You have to make yours original. Nice. So that's also a thing. Now I've also tried to shade mine. I'll teach you what shading is later. So I've tried it many times. I've had to so this is my first attempt of shading. I try to make it like a little bit gray. And if you want, you can make it a little bit lighter. Ooh. Okay, let's just forget about that. I was just looking at it for an hour. So if you want to shade with a thing, with actually I'll teach you this later. So if you want to hear some tips and tricks, press shift while trying to get a lot of things. I'm pushing shift right now. I can't show you because I don't have a face cam. But if I just try it right now, I'm pressing shift. Whoa. And then this one and this one. Another thing is when you finish a sentence, you have to close up the mouth, or it will just not look right. It would be easy if you have to just make it just smaller. For example, you just have to just make it like that. So that's my second tutorial. It wasn't as long. Now in my next tutorial, part 3, I'll teach you how to make it smooth. Like and subscribe to Quincy Lion and join Team Fishy.